My name is Jonathan Sheinkop, and I'm the founder of Ergo Impact. So let's jump right into it. These are the most common positions on how to use the LeanRite. This is the lumbar lean position. This is easy to get into. The seat is horizontal. We're aiming it right for our belt height, right to our lower lumbar, maybe a little higher, a little lower. Very easy posture to work in. And the next position is something that we refer to as the wall. In this position, we flip the seat to a full vertical position and just lean back into it, similar to the lumbar lean, but a little bit more full coverage across your back. From the wall, we now can flip the seat back into the horizontal position. We're going to lower it right to about our tailbone height. And now we're going to flip it into the angled perch position and simply lean back into it. Maybe a little adjustment, find our comfort zone. There it is. And now we can relax while we work. And every now and then when you want to take a break, we're going to easily switch from our angled perch position into our stool height position. Flip the seat, step on the pedal, give the handle a little squeeze, and we're going to lower it to a nice comfy upright position. Knees below the hips, our body in line, stacked, feeling very comfortable. And when we're ready to take a full seat and we want to do something with a little bit more relaxation, all we're doing is we're stepping on the pedal, giving it a little squeeze, and now we're down into more of a traditional seating position. Two key things to think about while using the LeanRite is, one, we want to make sure that we're not too far, not too close to the desk, elbows at a 90-degree angle. The second is we want to make sure that our feet are right under us with a nice stacked position, a little bit of a lean, just in a really comfortable working posture that you can maintain for a long period of time. The chair is meant to fit into your routine throughout the day. When you get a little tired, take a break, lower it to the lowest position. When you're ready to amp it back up again, raise it up and relax in a nice leaning posture. As we move the LeanRite up and down throughout the day, as we may find that we're further or closer to our desk than we need to be. So there's some very easy tips for making adjustments while we're on the LeanRite. When we go to sitting position, we may feel that we want to pull the seat a little bit closer to the desk. Very easy. We just make a small adjustment. When we're ready to go back to a standing position, very simple, we just get off and we push it, and it's that easy. The chair was designed to fit you, so throughout the day it's easy to make small adjustments to find those sweet spots that are going to create a little more comfort no matter what position you're using. I want to thank you again for using the LeanRite.